Today we will be training Bolt on being a garbage man. Oh, here he comes. Oh, taking a break.
He has to use a little snack before he takes that.
Snack break.
Yeah, he eat his almond joys. Or Hershey's, whatever.
Why can't be blueberries and strawberries?
Yeah. Hold on. I wonder. Uploading it.
Hello?
Bull, you should go out this side. Bull, come on, go out this side.
Time for work.
Come on, wake up.
Bring
Let's
deep.
go. Apparently the horn don't work.
Oh,
Oh.
escape. Check
No,
the
don't
wheels.
eat the tire.
Check
Okay.
the tire.
You're going
You
to
need those
pop
to
your
get to
tire.
work.
You're
All
going-
right, check the other one.
What?
Yep, check
Nope.
underneath.
Whoa! Do you actually seriously just go?
Mm-hmm.
He's under it.
You gotta check under the hood, make sure it's all working.
The hood is up here. This would fall. This would go forward. I believe the bat
I wonder if he went to sleep.
probably did. Let me see.
Excuse me, sir. It's time to go to work.
Yes. All right, ready? Do. Gotta take this. Actually,
No,
No.
let's see if there's anything good in there.
nothing. Let me back the truck. Do. His butt's hanging out the window. Well, it was. All right, got my truck.
Yeah, trying to escape again.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to pull you by that. All right, let's go. Right, ready? Let's flick one more time. Oh, I don't see anything. I really like this one. Oh, here's something. Wait, what up?
Oh no!
I'm getting sucked in. Skirt. Okay, I didn't.
No
That was just-
hamsters were harmed in this video.
Yes.
Where's he going? Move your head.
He's trying to get out.
There's an exit.
There you go, Bolt. Come here. No hamsters were harmed in this video, and also subscribe for more videos. And maybe I'll do more worried trucks because I have truckers over here. Maybe I'll have him on the monorail. Maybe I'll have him on aircraft carrier.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an episode of Life with Bolt.